Time frame for loan notes. So what are the time frames at work? In my experience, I want to share with you right now. So one of the first time frames is 12 months. Now 12 months might sound like a long time, but you and I both know that actually that's a very short time frame. So 12 months. In 12 months, you can do a project, you can refinance a project, you can revolve a project, buy and sell. So 12 months does work, but it is quite tight. And please keep in mind, when you're borrowing money of someone, of course, you got to pay it back. So 12 months remit can be, like what I say, quite fast, however achievable. So that's the first time frame. Now, an even better time frame is 24 months. Now, if you can get that money borrowed for 24 months, what you'll find is that, of course, you can revolve that project with a lot of ease. You got flexibility there, you got a longer time length, which means that you can relax a little bit, understanding that you're gonna be doing a minimum of a project, provided you got the key learnings, and you might even be able to do 2 or 3 within that 24 months period. So that's a great time frame if you can get the 24 months. And you can get the 24 months. The third time frame I want to share with you is 36 months. Now, the 36-month time frame gives you that full flexibility, knowing that you can now put in a medium-term business plan for what you're doing for your projects, whether that's buying and selling, whether that's premier development. And by the way, these types of projects now become much more doable because you've got that time frame of 36 months. You can revolve that cash a number of times, and you have complete flexibility with a 36-month time frame. I hope you're enjoying these insights. Now, I'd love to hear your comments as well. You can click on that bell icon, get the latest notifications. Even I've worked out where that one is. And you can also subscribe to the channel. I'm doing a number of videos like this, informative, to help you to move forward in your property journey. Imagine you've got an investor who's almost ready to invest. They've agreed terms with you, and there is that point where there's a little bridge that you've got to cross, and that investor has to cross, where that money comes over. And it's all about mindset when it comes to this. So here is a hack that you can actually use, which works extremely well when you're coming against those situations where you got to build that bridge and you want to get that loan in. Well, many investors, they will offer loan notes where the money is all rolled up. So they borrow the money, let's say for 12 months. At the end of the 12 months, they will pay that back with the interest element rolled up. Now, if you really want to clinch that deal, if you really want to use this hack, well, what you can do is decide to offer the investor, rather than a whole rolled up annual interest element, you can decide to pay them on a monthly basis. Now, at this point, the person already trusts you, you built trust together, there's a rapport, they've got to know you. And with this extra little bridge of saying to them, Mr. Investor, Madam Investor, look, I'm happy to pay you. You can choose, would you like the rolled up interest rate over the year? Or would you like me to pay you the interest element on a monthly basis? What do you choose? I'm easy either way. So by asking this question, you have now gained further trust, and you've put the ball in their court. And yes, they trust you, but that thought maybe that was at the back of their mind, will you actually pay, is alleviated because you start paying straight away the interest. Now you've got that loan note over the line and you've got that money in the bank.